Clear, color-coded thermostat wiring keeps your heating and cooling system safe and dependable, so know exactly what each wire does before you touch anything. Red is the 24-volt power lead from the transformer ATS. Label it R and check with a multimeter set to AC volts before disconnecting. Green goes to the fan relay and should energize the blower when you short it to R during a system test. Yellow controls the compressor contactor for cooling and must switch to common when the thermostat calls for air conditioning, so the condensing unit runs. White ties to the heating control, whether it triggers a gas control valve, oil relay, or heat pump auxiliary heat, and always confirm the white wire is routed to the correct terminal on the furnace control board. Blue or black is commonly used as the common leg, labeled C, and it completes the 24-volt circuit so modern smart thermostats can draw power. Verify continuity to the transformer's C terminal and avoid using a ground as a substitute. If you have a heat pump, there will be additional functions like changeover valve control labeled O or B and reversing valve wiring that must be handled differently. When replacing a thermostat, photograph the existing terminal strip, write down every wire, color, and terminal letter, and transfer one wire at a time to the new stat to prevent cross-connection. Finally, always kill power at the HVAC breaker and retest the system after installation, checking that the furnace fan, heat call, and cooling call all respond correctly, and that there is steady 24-volt power between R and C before powering a smart thermostat. One of the most frequent thermostat wiring mistakes is misidentifying the common leg as a ground and wiring a thermostat to earth ground, causing intermittent power and device rebooting. Those fix this by tracing the wire to the transformer's C terminal and confirming continuity, or using a voltmeter between R and the suspected common. Another common issue is swapping cooling and heating terminals, which results in the compressor or gas valve running at the wrong time. Remedy by matching each wire color and label to the furnace control board and testing each function before finishing the install. The third common problem is not accounting for heat pump reversing valve wiring, so people treat a heat pump like a conventional system and either short cycle the unit or disable defrost IM. Correct this by identifying the O or B wire, consulting the heat pump wiring diagram, and configuring the thermostat for heat pump operation with the correct changeover polarity. BigHomeProjects.com is a homeowner directory that helps you find trusted local contractors experienced with thermostat wiring and full HVAC replacements. It connects contractors with work by listing verified pros, letting homeowners compare specialties, reviews, and service areas to hire the right technician for safe, code-compliant installations.